Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's English class? Yes. Children, in today's class, I'm going to teach you to read story number 10 from Fitzroy Reader book, John and His Fox, from page number 156 to 160. After that, we will revise two-letter sounds from Phonics Pupil book. Children, today I'm going to teach you to write cursive Y and three-letter words in English notebook. Today we will also practice the rhyme row, row, row your boat. So children, let's start our today's class. Children, now bring your Fitzroy Reader's book. And now come to page number 156. Children, as you know, this man, his name is John and he has a fox. He has a rug doll also. So now let's read. T-H-E the, for ox a fox, smelt, T-H-E the, jam. The fox smelt the jam. Children, look in this picture. This fox, he smelt the jam. H-E he, her adder had a lick, O-F of, jam, from, John, John's leg. He had a lick of jam from John's leg. Children, as you know, this rug doll was licking the jam and some jam was on John's leg. So what the fox did? He had a lick. Look here, children, with his tongue. He had a lick of jam from John's leg. So this fox is also licking this jam from John's leg. Now page number 157. John, John, her adder had a very, big, tent. John had a very big tent. Children, look in this picture. This is tent. John had a tent and this tent is very big. It is not a small tent. It is a big tent. T-H-E the, for ox a fox, went, W-I-T-H with, J-O-H-N John, T-O-2, T-H-E the, tent. The fox went with John to the tent. Now see, children, this fox also came to tent along with John. The fox went with John. She accompanied John to the tent. Children, now this is page number 157. Let's read it. John, John, her adder had a very, big, tent. John had a very big tent. Children, look in this picture. This is a tent where John is standing. So this tent is John's tent and it is a very big tent. It is not a small tent. It is a big tent. Look here. T-H-E the, for ox a fox, went, W-I-T-H with, J-O-H-N John, T-O-2, T-H-E the, tent. The fox went with John to the tent. See, now the fox is also here in front of tent. So she went with John. Children, as you can see, this fox is standing in front of tent. So he went with John to the tent. He accompanied John to the tent. Now turn the page. Children, this is page number 158. John, John, A-N-D and, T-H-E the, for ox a fox, A-N-D and, T-H-E the, rag, doll, her adder had, T-H-E the, milk, A-N-D and, T-H-E the, jam, jam, in, T-H-E the, V-E-R-Y, very, b-ig, big, tent, tent. John and the fox, John and the fox, and the rag doll, had the milk and the jam in the very big tent. Children, as you can see, John and the fox and the rag doll had milk. They had milk and the jam. See, they are eating jam. They are having milk also in the very big tent. This tent is very big. It is not a small tent. It is a big tent. So now they are having their food. They are eating jam. They are drinking milk in this big tent. Children, in this way, story number 10, John and his fox come to the end. Children, now this is page number 159. Story 10, words we have used. Let's revise them. J-O-H-N, John, V-E-R-Y, very, R-O-K, rock, S-O-F-T, soft, D-O-L, doll, L-I-K, lick, S-M-E-L-T, smelt, T-E-N-T, tent, H-E, he. Now children, some new words. Z-oo-zoo, B-A-K, back, D-A-K, duck, L-O-K, lock, P-A-K, pack, S-O-K, sock. Let's read it again. Z-oo-zoo, B-A-K, back, D-A-K, duck, L-O-K, lock, P-A-K, pack, S-O-K, sock. Children, now turn the page. This is page number 160. Here are the capital letters, children, which you have to revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, in this way, you have to read this story. Story number 10, John and his fox. Children, now bring your phonics pupil book 1. And now open page number 20. Children, today we will revise 2 letter sounds. See children, this is A-I and it is a long A sound. See, long A. A-I will together sound like long A. Let's read the words. R-A-N, rain. Ta-A-L, tail. Pa-A-D, paid. S-N-A-L, snail. Children, now come to page number 22 of your phonics pupil book. Now, O-8 will sound O. O, long O sound. O. Now, let's read the words which have long O sound. G-O-T, goat. S-O-K, soak. R-O-D, road. F-O-M, foam. Children, this is page number 23. Now the sound of long I. This is I-E together will sound long I. I, like this you have to say. See, T-I, tie. L-I-D, lied. T-I-D, tide. M-A-G, mag. P-I, pie, magpie. Now come to page number 24, children. Let's read the sound of long E. E and or sound. Now see. T-R-E, tree. K-O-R-N, corn. S-E-N, scene. F-O-R-K, fork. B-E-B, S-O-R-T, sort. Children, now open page number 27. And this is ng sound. Ng together will sound ng. Now see how we will read the words which we have ng sound. Sang, sang. K-A-ng, king. L-ong, long. La-ang, lung. Children, now come to page number 29. Now see. O sound and O sound. F-O-T, foot. Utta foot. Z oo zoo. L uka look. S una soon. Ba uka book. Una moon. In this way, children, you have to read the words which have little o sound and long o sound. Children, now come to page number 32. This is ch sound. CH together will sound ch. See? Ch op s chops. Ch ip s chips. Ba a n ch bunch. Ch a n chain. In this way, children, you have to read the sound of ch. Children, on page number 33, there is a sound of sh. SH together will sound sh. Look here. Sh op shop. F fish. Sh sheep. Sh brush. Children, now this is page number 34. Together we will learn the sound of the. This is voiced and unvoiced the sound. Look here. The is this. Oth moth. The at that. Three. The them. In a thin. Children, now page number 35. This is qua sound together. The way duck says qua. QU together will sound qua. Look here. The words which have qua sound. Qua quick. Qua quilt. La qua liquid. Qua squid. Children, now this is page number 36 and this is ow sound. Ow. Ow. OU together will sound ow. Out cloud. Out proud. Out mouth. Out shout. Children, now we are on page number 37 and we will learn the sound of oi. Oi. See, we are now going to revise it. Oil, soil. The words which have oi sound. Joint. Point. Void. Children, now come to page number 38. This is long U sound. You it will together say long U. You. Now let's revise the words which have long U sound. Fuel. U statue. Value. Rescue. Children, on page number 39, we have sound. ER together will sound Look here. Verb. Letter. Winter. Runner. Children, now come to page number 40. Now you have to say R. This is the sound. AR together will sound R. Jar. Dark. Shark. Scarf. Children, in this way you have to revise all the 2-letter sounds which we have learned so far. Children, today I will teach you to write cursive Y. Look here. This is Y. This is capital Y and this is cursive Y. And Y for yellow. Which color is this? This is yellow color. So, Y for yellow. And the sound of Y is Y. Now, let's start writing. Look here, children. This is today's date. Today is 10th March 2021. Now, children, you have to put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line. And from here, you have to make a curve and you have to go up like this. Touch the first blue line, then again come back on the same line. Move a little forward and then again go up, make U like this. Then children, you have to come to the red line like this and you have to turn it a little bit like this. You have to fold it. In this way you have to write cursive Y. Now look here again. You have to touch the red line which is here, and then you have to turn it. In this way you have to write cursive Y. See, like this. You have to start from here, go up, come down on the same line. Again you have to go up, touch the first blue line, then come down, touch the red line, and then fold it like this. In this way you have to write cursive Y. Now children, I will show you how you will write in the notebook. Children, now I am going to teach you to write cursive Y in the notebook. First write today's date. Today is 10th March 2021, like this. Now let's start writing. Put your pencil on the second blue line of this block and then make a little curve. Go up, touch the first blue line, come down. Then again go up and come down, touch the red line and turn it a little bit like this. In this way you have to write cursive Y. Look here. In one go you have to write, don't remove your hand in between. See, from here you have to go up, come down, again go up, come down, touch the red line and then fold it. Children, in this way you have to write cursive Y in the notebook. So finish one page of cursive Y, take its picture and send it to me. Now bring your My First Stride in English workbook. And now open page number 110. Today you have to write cursive Y in this page and you have to color the yacht. So let's start. First you have to trace and write like this. The way I taught you in the notebook. In this way, children, you have to trace and write like this. And here you have to write on your own like this. Now come to the second line. Carefully you have to write on the dots. And you have to write cursive Y. See, and here you have to write on your own, so like this. Make a little curve, go up, touch the first blue line, come down, touch the second blue line, like this. Again go up and then come to the down line, the red line, and then turn it a little bit like this. In this way you have to trace and write it till here, and from here you have to write on your own. And you have to finish all these dots, Children, in this page, you have to write like this. Put your pencil on the pink dot, go up, come down again on the blue line, again go up, touch the blue line, then come down and touch the pink line and then turn it like this. Children, you have to finish this page today, and this page you can do it afterwards. So finish it up and take its picture and send it to me. Children, today I will introduce you to write 3-letter words in cursive formation. So look at the board, children, carefully. This is today's date. Today is 10th March 2021. Now let's write. The first word which we will write is cat. Cat. Now how you will write cat? See. Put your pencil on the second blue line. From here you have to first write C. And the sound of C is K. A. And then T, like this. In one go you have to write cat. In this way you have to write cat. Now the second word is hat. So put your pencil on the second blue line. From here you have to write H, and the sound of H is her. Her, a, t, hat. Like this, children. In this way you have to write hat. Now the next word is mat. Put your pencil on the second blue line. From here you have to write m. M means M. Cursive M, like this. M, a, t, mat, like this. In this way, children, you have to write at mat. Now the next word is pat. At a pat. So how you will write? Put your pencil on the second blue line. From here you have to turn it a little bit, go up, touch the red line, again go down. You have to make p, means P. P, a, t, pat. So this is the fourth word. Now the last word, which is rat. So how you will write? Put your pencil on the second blue line. From here you have to write r, a, t, rat. In this way, children, you have to write 3-letter words. This is ka at cat, ha at hat, at mat, pa at pat, and r at rat. Now, children, I will show you how you will write it in the notebook. Children, now I will show you how you will write it in the notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write 3-letter words in the notebook. First, write today's date. Today is 10th March 2021, like this. Now, children, put your pencil on the blue line, the second blue line, and take support of this red line. From here, you have to make cursive C. Ka, a, t, cat. You have to write like this, children, in one go. Don't remove your hand in between, like this. See. Ka, a, t, cat. So you have to speak and write. Ka, a, t, cat. In the first line, you have to write cat. Ka, a, t, cat. See. In this way, you have to write. Ka, a, t, cat. Ka, a, t, cat. Now we come to the second word. It is ha at hat. Now how you will write? Put your pencil on the second blue line. Take support of this red line. Make a little curve and go up. Touch the red line. Then come back on the second blue line. Then go up till the first blue line. Again come back. In this way you have to write H. Ha, a, and then t. Ha at a hat. Look here. Ha, a, t, hat. Ha, a, t, hat. Ha, a, t, hat. Ha, a, t, hat. Like this you have to write. And you have to finish the second line by writing hat in cursive formation. See. The third word is at mat. So how you will write? From here you have to make a slanting line, then a standing line, go up again like this. You have to make cursive M and then cursive A and then T like this. A, t, mat. A, t, mat. Like this you have to write. A, t, mat. At mat. So you have to speak and write. At mat. at a mat. Now the fourth word is pa at a pat. See how you will write? Put your pencil on the second blue line, go up, touch the red line, then go down, touch this last red line, and then you have to go up, make a semicircle, and you have to make cursive P, then A, and then T, like this. Pa at a pat. Pa at a pat. Pa at a pat. And you have to speak and write. Pa at a pat. Pa at a pat. In this way, you have to write in the fourth line. Now the last line, r at a rat. How you will write? Put your pencil again on the second blue line, write cursive R. R at a rat. R at a rat. R at a rat. R at a rat. In this way. R at a rat. You have to speak and write. Now the last block of this page. R at a rat. Children, in this way you have to learn to write cat, hat, mat, pat and rat. So finish this work, children, in this page and take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to practice the rhyme row, row, row your boat with actions. So let's start it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Sew, sew, sew my dress. Tailor, sew it for me. Merrily, 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 I will go for the party. Go, go, go to school. Go to school on time. Merrily, 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 we shall recite a rhyme. Children, in this way, you have to practice this rhyme with actions. So make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.